Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm back again because I have another entry in my 5-year on YouTube giveaway, and this one here now is from Christa, and that is from Second Chance Creations. She is, and she lives in New South Wales, and I don't I'm telling people her address anyway. So this is, I got this one just a while ago. Now I'll open it without, I might just cut along the top of this here without making too much of a kerfuffle of it. So thank you very much, Christa. Clarissa. Oh no, it's not. Oh dear, I'm terrible at pronouncing people's names, isn't it dreadful? I don't want to cut anything because this comes right up to the top of the parcel, this does. A minute now, I'll just get it along here. Right up to the top of the parcel. Oh, goodness me, sorry. It's making this harder than it probably would have been, but I don't want to chop it up. It's later in the day for me. Oh boy. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. Isn't this nice? Thank you so much. This here. Oh, thank you. Look at this. You pack this nice and pretty, isn't it? Look at that. I like this pretty stuff. Just put it in. Look. And here's the part where it opens, isn't it? Yes. Look at this. Sent me some pretty material. Thank you so much. And I love this parcel thing. This is really cool, isn't it? Oh, I might be able to use that in one of my journals, I think. What do you reckon? It just insisted on being a little bit sideways there, but it'll be fine. I love that. I love the colour. Thank you so much for that, Christa. Your name is spelled C-H-R-I-S-T-A. Christa, yes. Okay, so this is a dear little card. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. The sheer fabric was made in Hong Kong. I was lucky to find complete swatches in an op shop. Oh. It contains silk. Crafty hugs, Christa. Thank you so much. Hello, Sonia. Congratulations achieving 5 years on YouTube. Your tips, tricks, and sense of humour and inspiration is awesome. Thank you so much. Hope you like the fabric. I think I shall. I love this too. Did you make him? Did you make him? Isn't that good? Oh, I think I like the fabric. Wow. Oh my goodness. What he's got here? It's an ATC. Oh, with your information on it. Thank you so much. Isn't that good? Thank you. I did ask for people to put in a little something, like a tag or something with their name and that on it, and so I could know what when their birthdays was and that. Did you put a birthday? Yes, she did. Wow, that is really nice. Thank you so much. She enjoys gardening and photography. Thank you so much for that, Christa. That is very nice. I have a book I can put this into, and we'll be all good then. I'll be able to find things. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, dear. Isn't that awesome? I've never ever seen anything like this, and it is really cool. And it's got silk in it, and you can see that there. Look. You can see that. Sorry about my hands. I've been out doing stuff today. Look at that. Oh, isn't that nice? And this piece here. Now, that is absolutely amazing. I love that. Looks like little planets, maybe. I don't know. It just looks so... Could be a biscuit? No. It does look good. Thank you so much, Christa. I really, really like that. And this is really cool too. I love these butterflies. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Look at this. Wow. I might be able to cut a few of them out and, you know, put them in the book on different pages or whatever. That is so neat. It's beautiful. It was soft too. Thank you very much. I really like these. Thank you so much. I think I'm pleased I've done this. I've got 3 nice new pieces of fabric I've never seen before now from this. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you so much. I love this here. Look at that. How that's... Oh, look. You can see his little silky bits. Isn't this nice? I'll be putting a bit of this in my book. A bit of it I'll be putting in the little safe, I think, because you know. I like to keep these things and hoard them for a while, and then when I finish hoarding them, I'll send them out or use them for something. Usually I'll use them for something. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much. That's very beautiful, and I really love this. And you've got lots of work on this. There's fabric there, and you've got a nice piece of lace. This is a really nice little piece of trim there. Mixing it up, yes. This is a little thing that says "Made with Love," and there's a piece of lace and some spots on some bits of bling. And the back of it, you've got your information and that on there, and there's a nice little button there in the corner. That looks really cool, doesn't it? A piece of fabric under there it's recycled, and that's really cool, isn't it? Because I love that idea. Really nice. Thank you so much, Christa. I really like it. Thank you so much, darling. And I really appreciate that. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you all have a good day. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.